This amazing magic milk experiment can easily be done with items you may already have at home, and the kids will love it.
We'll be using the following items to conduct this experiment.
Milk, food coloring, a bowl or dish, Q-tips, and dish soap. In our bowl or dish, we're going to pour in the milk, just enough to cover the bottom. Now, let's add the food coloring. You can be creative and add as many colors as you like. Now the magic happens. We're going to add drops of dish soap to the milk using our Q-tip. Ooh, swirl it around and see what happens. That looks really neat.
But what exactly is happening? Let's break it down.
This is a soap molecule. On one end, it's hydrophilic, meaning it loves water. Water molecules are polar and can dissolve other polar molecules. On the other end, it's hydrophilic, meaning it's scared of water. The nonpolar tail attracts other nonpolar molecules like fat and oil. Milk is made up of water, fat, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. When you add soap, the molecules move around quickly to bond to the fat in the milk.
We can see the action because we added food coloring. You could try this experiment using milk with different fat percentages. Observe how the fat content of the milk reacts differently when you add soap. Be sure to hit that follow button for more fun food science experiments like this one and many more.